Hey, what's up guys, V here. So today we're going to be taking a look at the newer LED light system. I do currently have two soft boxes here. I'm going to bring the camera around so you can see my entire setup. These I got just to add a little extra lighting. I'm just trying to get a little bit more professional if I can here. So it's LEDs, 480, 240 of them are white, 240 are yellow. And see here, it goes from 3200 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin. I do have two adjustable knobs in the back. I'm going to bring the camera around and we're going to test it out on this wall here just to let you see the different light, and I'll be jumping in a couple of the shots also. So here, let's get this open. So we have here one of the light panels here. LED video light. There we go. Check that out. It's pretty solid. Everything's metal. Except for this, of course, plastic housing on the electronics, of course. And you do have two spaces here for for batteries, rechargeable batteries. I did not pick those up. I may be getting them in the future in case you want to go out on location. So, and these also come with the barn doors. Not all of them do. This just helps you focus light better and get some different lighting effects. There. And here, this also has a light filter. So you just kind of, there's two little things there, you kind of pop them down and this will slide out. Let me see if I can get it to come out here. Alright, so you just slide this over here and that it does expose the LED lights there. You can use it like that too, it's just really intense. I'm going to pop this back in and I'll also do a test without. See, it's kind of hard to get out. You notice I did have to speed it up a little bit because I know you don't want to sit and fight with this. So, and then you just pop these back up once you have it set. All right, so now that I got that back in, you also now this comes with the cords. Adapter. So this goes here and this end goes into the light. I mean, you can figure this out on yourself. I mean, you don't need me to show you this, but there. I'm gonna do a couple of tests right now. I'm gonna bring it around, set these up on the tripods, and we'll see what we get. Give me a second. Alright guys, I'm back here. So you can see the light. It's not quite as bright as the light box because the light box just disperses it to a larger area, but anyway, these do have the diffusers on them as well, and this is the 240 white. I'm gonna what I'm gonna do is, here's the barn door effect here. Let's close these down. So there's that, and let me get this one down. So that's got the barn doors. You can see there's a light there that comes across. Let's go down even deeper. So like that. Like that. This is the bottom all the way down. The top up, you can see it's just lighting this part. Then I open it up completely. Got the full view. Hit the sides. Let's see here. Put me more in like a box here. And close the left side, or right side, you're right. It's that. And this is the barn doors open completely here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch it to the yellow. Give me a second. This is the 3200K yellow. It's a whole different effect. And this is the yellow one. Right there. That's max brightness. And this here This is with both of the lights at full brightness, the yellow and the white. So on this one, with the LEDs, what I've done is I've actually taken both of the diffusers off. Here they are right here. So they set their maximum brightness, and then give me a second, I'll change it to the yellow. And there's the yellow. So that's both of them on actually. And these both without diffusers. And they're extremely bright, so you may want to use these. So let me grab the other two lights. I'm going to turn those on, and we'll take a look at those together. Okay guys, so now I have all of the lights on. I have two soft boxes here. I have the LEDs up here. So I'm going to try and bring one around. I'm going to try and light the background now. I'm not a lighting expert or anything, and I'm still playing with that as far as that goes. And if you get these, you can set them up however you like, or you know, just to whatever your needs are. But I'm going to try and light this background here with one of these lights. Just give me a second. I'm going to see if I can do that. Try and get this a little brighter. Okay guys, so what I did was I faced this light directly under this wall. There are multiple setups you can put when you have 4 lights or 2. You know, you lighting experts, you know what you're doing. So I'm going to put the link in the description below to these 2 lights, the LEDs, and also the 2 soft boxes. If you do like my content, please again like, comment, subscribe. This has been V. I'm out.